So one concept I want to discuss with you today, the concept of nested list. The concept of nested list. No doubt you know the meaning of it. A list inside another list. Please don't write. Just pay attention on the LCD and try to understand the concept first. A general meaning of nested list is a list inside another list. I am taking few lists over here. A, 1, 2, 3. This is my first list. I am taking the second list. B, 4, 5, 6. I am taking C, the third list. 7, 8, B. 7, 8, B. Carefully see what I have done. I have taken one list A having elements 1, 2, 3. I have taken one list B having elements 4, 5, 6. See the third list 7, 8, B. जो सी लिस्ट है उसका पहला एलिमेंट 7 है, उसका सेकंड एलिमेंट 8 है, पर जो उसका थर्ड एलिमेंट है दैट इज इटसेल्फ अ लिस्ट. बी अपने आप में एक लिस्ट है. Got it? Now I have third list D. In this list, I am having 9, A, C. The list D is having 3 elements, A, 9, then A, then C. A is itself a list, C is itself a list. Right? Now, when I print the D, this is the structure of D. This is the structure of D. How to study this structure? See carefully. D का पहला एलिमेंट 9. 9 is here. Then is A. A is itself a list. So a separate list in the nested form 1, 2, 3. Then C. C is itself a list 7, 8, 7, 8, B. B अपने आप में लिस्ट है 4, 5, 6. लिस्ट के अंदर लिस्ट, उसके अंदर एक लिस्ट. I hope hierarchically you understand what I want to say. Think in the hierarchical manner. लिस्ट के अंदर लिस्ट, लिस्ट के अंदर सब लिस्ट. And every list, every independent list is enclosed in square bracket. And if that independent list is a part of another list, it is surrounded by square brackets again. अपना फोकस सिर्फ इस लिस्ट पे रखो, 7, 8 वाली पे. इसको छोड़ दो. Leave 9, leave 1, 2, 3. 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are the part of C list. 7 8 स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट। सी के अंदर बी नेस्टेड है। बी अपने आप में एक लिस्ट है, तो बी लिस्ट को सेपरेट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में इनक्लोज किया एंड लेटर क्लोज द सी लिस्ट। Close the C list. C list is contained inside D list. So I close the bracket of D list. Now how to evaluate the values? Little bit change will come in the indexing part. Let us start one by one. I'll go very slow so that you understand the indexing of nested list. D of 0, 9. This is 0. This is 1. This entire is 2. Further, it is subdivision. Further, there is subdivision. D of 0 is 9. It's okay now. D of 1. 1, 2, 3. D of 2. 7, 8, 4, 5, 6. Now leave D of 0. Put your pen down, everyone at the back. Just focus on the LCD, please. Understand the concept first. Leave D of 0, that is just 9. We start the further subdivision from D of 1. D of 1 is itself a list. D of 1 is itself a list. Make the subdivision of it 0, 1, 2. D of 1 का 0 element. D of 1 का first element. D of 1 का third element. Okay. D of 2. D of 2. D of 2 of 0. D2 of 1. D2 of 2. D2 of 2 further divided. कैटेगरी की आगे सब कैटेगरी. D of 2 of 0. D of 2 of 1. D of 2 of 2. अब देखो D of 2 of 2 of 0. Triple subscript, triple indexing. D of 2 of 2 of 1. D of 2 of 2 of 2. D of 2 of 2 of 3. What error? Raise your hand. You are right, it will be error. Tell me the type of error. Index error. List index out of range. List index out of range. I hope the concept of nested list is now clear. The subdivision and the subdivision. Thoroughly clear? Okay. Morning, I was discussing one program with you to count the occurrence of one particular element. One modification I want to make in that program. Suppose you are looking for the element 12 and the element 12 exists and it exists 3 times. So your message print 12 occur 3 times. What if the element does not exist? You are looking for the element which does not exist. That time we have to display the message element does not exist. For that, let us start the program again. I am taking this list. Okay. I am taking one variable found and I am giving the initial value false. मैंने एक फाउंड वेरिएबल लिया और इनिशियली आई हैव सेट इट टू द बूलियन वैल्यू फॉल्स. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स आर बूलियन वैल्यूज, राइट? Am I clear to all? Then what I did, I take one variable count, and as and when I will find my element, this variable will get increment by 1. Initially, I am setting this variable to 0. I start my for loop. I first ask the user which number user want to search for. Okay, the number for which you are looking, whether the number is there, and if there, how many times the number is there. For I in range up till the length of list. The for loop will run up till the length of the given list. And you know, when a single variable is there in the range function, the indexing starts from 0. Okay? If A of I is equal to my desired number, A of I, what is I initially? 0. What is A of 0? 12. अगर A of I element मेरे desired element के साथ मैच कर गया, I will update this variable. What this shorthand equivalent to? Cn equal to Cn plus 1. Cn equal to Cn plus 1. And found I set to true. I got my desired element, found variable I set to true. Found will be true only and only when if condition will true. Found will be set to true only and only if condition evaluates to true. Right? Come out of the loop. Print if found equal to true. Print element num. Num means the value. Num I am not writing in the double quotes. I am writing just as it is. it will print the value of the num variable. Element num exists Cn times. Else element does not any variable which is not enclosed in the double quotes, its value will get printed. Okay. I'm saving in the desktop. The document's name +1 count. Enter the desired element 12. Element 12 exists 4 times. Element 12 exists 4 times. Okay, let me print the original list also. Original list, print A. Now see. Enter the desired element 12. 12 exists 4 times. Enter the desired element 20. I am trying to looking for the element which is not available in the list. So the program indicates message, your desired element does not exist. This program is also known as linear search. Linear. Why linear? We are checking each and every element in the linear way, in the sequence, in proper order to check whether our desired element exists or not. I have a query. What is the drawback of this linear search? Use your brain, use your programming skills, and tell me what is the drawback of this coding. If my element happens to be the last element, unnecessarily all the previous comparisons have to be done, which will make it a slow process and time consuming process. Suppose my list is lengthy and I want to search for element 40 and 40 is lying at the end. The comparison will start from the first element because I am comparing each element with my desired element. So that will increase the processing time. It will become a time consuming process. Got it? अरे वो इंटरनल ऑपरेशन फास्ट है बट चेक तो वो हर एलिमेंट कर रहा है ना, कंपेयर तो हर एलिमेंट कर रहा है. Like in the old days tape recorder, if you want to listen the 9th song, you have to forward all the 8 previous songs. That was time consuming. Okay. Binary search. The coding is clear. I am giving you 2 minutes. All of you can go through the coding. Okay. And this has to be transferred to the practical file also. Program to implement linear search. Program to implement the linear search. Program to implement linear search technique. Will you stop? Am I clear to all sitting offline? The logic is clear. Anybody having some different logic? I'll welcome it. Anybody with some different idea, raise your hand. Anyone trying to give some different idea, raise your hand and discuss your idea. इस प्रोग्राम के लिए कोई डिफरेंट आइडिया किसी के माइंड में हो, रेज योर हैंड. डोंट गिव द आंसर जस्ट एज इट इज ओनली. Yes, Kavya. Stand up and give the answer, please. Yeah, you can do that also. You can go with that also. But what if the element is found? What condition you will go? You will give there. There you can check if Cn equal to 0, element does not exist. Else element found at element is there exists this one number of times. Okay, one addition I want here. One addition I want here. I want to print the index also of the element. Element 10 exists at this position. I is the index. I is the index times at index POS plus 1. POS plus 1. इंडेक्सिंग ऐड होके चाहिए 2 मतलब 3. एंटर 15. एलिमेंट 15 exists 1 times at index 4. Definitely index of 15 is 4. 0 1 2 3. What is 3? 4. We are starting from 0 now. So naturally, when I will increment the position variable here, it will give the exact index, exact position. Sir, what is 3? 3 means 4. 3 means 4. What is 1? 0. Sir,